Hello everyone. This is Kyle from CNA Team 2 in Project 1000. I'm here to show you our backup solution. So we used VEEAM as our backup solution. As you can see, we have the VEEAM Backup and Replication Console, and we also have the VEEAM Backup Enterprise Manager. I will show you later what's on the VEEAM Backup Enterprise Manager, and for now I can show you first this the backup replication. Okay, so we are now on the backup replication. As you can see, here is our different servers that are backed up inside VEEAM. And first I will show you the type of backups that VEEAM have. They have a virtual machine. This can be used for E6i server and vCenter server. And if you want to back up your physical computer or PC, you can use this Windows computer backup job. And if you want Linux too, you can also use this Linux computer agent. This can back up your Linux server or software, and it can also back up Macintosh computer, and it can also back up file share. Okay, and the most amazing thing that I found in this backup solution is it has a replication job. Replication job is it's kinda cloning of your virtual machine inside your E6i server, but it's a backup. So let's say that uh, your virtual machine dies inside your E6i server, and you want it to be recovered instantly. You can use this replication job so it can replicate its previous state, and you can restore it by just go here and then go to the VMware vSphere. On this, it can show you restore from replica, and then you can choose entire replica or guest files that can restore guest files, and or just say you deleted an application inside the virtual machine, you can restore it by just clicking this option. Okay, then I'll just cancel it because I don't have a replica. Supposed to be I'm also doing the replication job, but since I don't have enough storage to cover that, so I didn't do that. I just did the regular backup for all the servers. Um, and this one too, you can also do this like a copy of your backup that you can store on a different server or computer. You can store it remotely if you have resources in the other computer. And this failover plan is just like the collection of your replicas of your backup in your E6i server. It can say, based on what I said earlier, that it can recover your virtual machines inside E6i server instantly. You can go with this failover plan. And next is the export backup and import backup. This import backup, you can import backup from your other computer when you have different kinds of backup server, and export means you can export it and import it on the other backup server. And here, this is the view tab. I'm on full view now, and this is the job. So this one says stop, means I can start it for now, but since its last run is 1 minute ago, so the server's already been backed up, and then its next run is 2 a.m., which means 1 hour for its schedule. Okay, and then I will show you our VEEAM Backup Enterprise Manager. Okay, let me open this up. Okay, it's taking its time to open up. There you go. As you can see, here is our VEEAM Enterprise Manager. This VEEAM Enterprise Manager is like a monitoring backup solution tool that you can use to monitor your backups from your server. As you can see, you have the summary, the image data, like the bandwidth or how much speed you consume in your backups, and the file data and the transfer size, and then the processing speed, how much speed does your backup occur, and then this is the total job runs that I did for the past 24 hours, because it can scan your job for the past 24 hours. And I have so far at least 52 success, which is good. I have 2 warnings and 8 errors. This 8 errors is it has because we had a issue about our iSCSI server. So when the target is disconnected from the iSCSI server, we cannot it cannot scan the storage, and it cannot process the backup, so it throws an error. I did a solution on that one. I just minimized the storage from 2 terabytes to just only 1 terabyte. So this is our backup servers. This is 10.1.156. That's our backup server, and this is the graph throughout the backup solution. And this is the reports. You can basically export it if you want to. And this is the jobs that the backup occurred. So we have failed. I'm not sure why this one failed. I can definitely check. Oh, because it cannot find the storage where it's located, so it throws an error. I think that's fine now, because we have this department shared folder and file backup job. It's like backing up our file and print server, but only the department shared folders and public folders. Okay, and then you can also view your backup infrastructure here. As you can see in the backup repositories, I have different backup repositories here. I have the different kinds of storage, different kinds of drives that I use, and then this is the VMware vSphere that I added, and this is all the other servers that I added just in case something might happen. Okay, and then I'll go back here. This is the policies. So far we don't have policies yet set up. This is the file shares. As you can see, here is the file share that I created. This is the machines. This is the servers that I added just to back those up. I added all of the server. We have this sample server.corp. This is just like a sample server that I can use to demonstrate later about the servers will need to be fully restored in case of a disaster. Okay, and then that's it so far in our backup solution. and later on the next video I will show you how to restore previous copies of important documents and data, and the server will be fully restored in case of disaster. And I will show you also the automation of backups and security of backups. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and see you in the next video.